Hey, it's Matt from Miller's Auto Recycling here. Today we have a 2018 Chevrolet Volt, stock number 263101, and it's been in a front end collision. This vehicle comes with a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated hybrid engine. Can't start this one just due to the impact. This vehicle comes equipped with black leather seats with manual seat adjustments. And this engine has 146,699 kilometers. If you'd like to inquire about parts on this vehicle, make sure to contact Miller's Auto Recycling for pricing and availability.